Hey everyone, Steve here, and welcome to my Quizzify review. In a nutshell, Quizzify allows you to create profit-ready quizzes, surveys, and polls in any niche without any technical skills whatsoever. It's a really cool app that I've enjoyed using and playing around with the last couple of days, and I'm sure you will enjoy it too. As always, if you stay towards the end of the review, I'll be showing you exactly what the OTO and funnel is, and also what bonuses and giveaways you'll be getting if you decide to get Quizzify through my link below. Let's take a look inside. So right now I'm in the dashboard for Quizzify, and as you can see, it's a very fun and user-friendly dashboard, and I always like that kind of thing. So let's take a look originally at the features. So you've got your projects here, you've got your video projects, which I'll talk to you about in a minute, leads. Again, this is a leads generated machine, tutorials, and obviously your bonuses. So you've got your dashboard here with your statistics and analytics, your amount of surveys, your amount of quizzes, your amount of polls, and your total leads, okay? And here we have three different options, one for quizzes, one for polls, and one for surveys. So one of the cool things about Quizzify is that it comes with a number of done for you quizzes, polls, and surveys, even on the front end. So I think you get 100 or so, and you can see right here now we've got a big example of different quizzes. I quite like this Marvel one here. Harry Potter, is it? Yeah, Hogwarts. And we've got, again, a massive range of polls as well, or not as many as the quizzes. And then we've also got different types of surveys. So there's a lot of done for you content included even on the front end. I think there's even more with some of the upsells, but you can of course create your quizzes, polls, and surveys from scratch as well. And it's very, very easy to get this up and running. You can either have Quizzify host it as its own page, its own site, or you can embed it on any website just by pasting a line of code. Really easy integration. And if you go to the options, you've also got email autoresponder integrations. I believe there'll be more than just these when it goes live. You can also connect it up via API, no problem at all. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at some of the options here first of all. So let's take a look at this Marvel one. I'm going to click use now. And again, you can really fully customize absolutely everything with Quizzify. So we've got here, and again, all this is kind of done for you and been set up. So only true Marvel fans will get this quiz about the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Phase 1 correct. We dare you to get this quiz 100% correct. Okay, I'm not the biggest Marvel fan in the world, I will admit, but I thought this was cool. So when I actually did this quiz myself, I got most of these questions wrong. So you can go through the questions and you pick the questions if you want and the answers, and you go through blah 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 blah, and then eventually it will have a result. Okay, so the result will be posted here. You can post your own image, you can even have a video, and then you can have a call to action. So you can say retake, or you can send them to an opt-in page, to a website, to a product. That's the beauty of this. Okay, it's like having your own kind of interactive funnel, and that's why quizzes work really, really well, because people are already engaged and warmed up by the time they get to the call to action. So if you wanted to change some of this, you'd simply edit the question here, write a brief description about your question, different options, and then you can pick the multiple choice, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to you. And so these are just the questions, and here's the results page at the end, and you can see there's no image being uploaded, but if I wanted to upload an image I could, and you put the result here and you can put a new result. Now this is the lead form, so if I wanted to enable lead capture, I'd check these, and then you'd obviously put your call to action here, sign up here, etc., or learn more, whatever you want to. Okay, but again, you obviously want to be collecting leads with Quizzify because it is a lead generation machine, right? Here's the results page, and the design of everything, so you can completely customize this. Project background, I think this Marvel image looks really, really cool. Project thumbnail, project logo. So if you're going through the quiz, then you'd see these different things, and then track in for Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel ID, etc. So that's kind of like a look in that. So if I went back to the dashboard now, you could actually just go ahead and create a project from scratch. Quiz, poll, or survey. Let's just click on survey for a second, and you can kind of see a preview of what it would look like as you're going along here. So right now it's very, very basic. I do like this progress bar that Quizzify is included, and that's really, really cool. And so here's the welcome page. So you put in a headline here. Are you tired of COVID? Yes, I am. And then you put a description, and then your button text and your button icons, etc. And then you put your questions for your surveys here. You redirect URL, because obviously you want to be taking them to something, an affiliate offer, your website, your business, etc. Your lead capture form, your thank you page, and then the general design of everything, including the thumbnails, etc. Otherwise, it's just going to have the Quizzify logo come up every time, which is fine. So let's go back to the dashboard now. So again, you can either do it from scratch, or you can pick one of these awesome templates. Let's just click on polls, just giving you an example. Okay, how cool is this? I was a big fan of Squid Game. You probably were too. Brilliant show on Netflix. And we've got here, which characters would you save? God, which characters would you save? Player 212 or 101? Oh God, okay. The front man or the VIP. If you didn't haven't watched the show, then don't look any further. And then you've got your demo answers and things like that. So this is really awesome. And again, you can go through that here. So we want to click on leads now just to take a look, and you've got your leads and things like that in here. Tutorials, bonuses. You can even export them. It's completely up to you. So let's go back to projects, and this is where all the current running projects are saved. So this is where Quizzify really comes into its own. Like for example, there's no stats on this Squid Game one I just looked at, but if you click on it over here, you can view the project statistics, show responses, share, do what you want. So let's take a look at statistics just to kind of show you. And you've got all your statistics here for your quiz, and you can even see answer by answer exactly what people are doing, and you can even have it as like a chart, pie charts. You've got a lot of analytics here. So if you're going to take this seriously and you're using it for, maybe the business you're running at the moment, maybe an e-commerce site, etc., you can get really detailed statistics about exactly what your customers are doing, exactly what your customers want, and things like that. So it's not just a lead generations machine. You get to pick up behaviors and patterns from your audience, which is really awesome. And I'd say this is a really awesome feature that I've not seen on other quiz makers, and Quizzify is a really cool app, is video quizzes. So it's got something here called video projects. So what you can do with this is that you can have a video like lead up, a video intro to the quiz. So you can use someone else's video or a VSL or something like that, but you can also have a video of you speaking or you asking a question, and then you can answer it via the quiz. So let's take a look at this for a second. I'm just going to use someone else's. Let's just look at this video. So yeah, if this is a quiz on workouts, fitness, yoga, etc., you could use this video here, or this that the makers have uploaded, and here we go, etc. And it's a workout video, but it can be however long you want it to be. It's up to you, and then it would lead into your quiz or survey or poll. So it's a really cool way to kind of get people into the quiz or into the survey, into the poll that other quiz makers don't have. So that's really cool. That's really awesome. Yeah, I really like it. I've had a lot of fun playing around with this. It's just really easy to use, and like I say, these templates are really spot on. And I think definitely going to be using some of these on my own websites, because things like this, interactive quizzes, poll surveys, they really work, right? They warm people up. They have more time on your site, increased engagement. It's just really cool. Here's a cool sports one. That'd be good for you with my mates, my buddies in the group chat. Cool. So let's take a look at the bonus page now for Quizzify. So that was a quick overview. You can see very powerful viral traffic and lead generation system. If you want all these details, you click the link below and you get taken to this page. Take a look. I do have an amazing bonus package to give away with this, by the way. So make sure you stay tuned to take a look. But yeah, groundbreaking app, creates ready-to-profit quizzes, surveys, and polls for any niche without any coding. All the features, and there's probably a bunch of stuff that I haven't even looked at, is right here. And it'll go through all the different features, the benefits, absolutely everything here on the bonus page. So for pretty much everything I just showed you, really awesome price, much lower than what I expected on what products I usually review. This is just $17 for the front end, only $17. So for me, this is a complete no-brainer, and that includes 100 done-for-you templates in hot niches. You can add your own branding, your logos, your watermarks, etc. Commercial rights is included. You get the progress tracking bar, which is great. Video quiz player, awesome. I mean, you just get pretty much everything I just showed you. For $17, this is a complete no-brainer. So if you're thinking of buying this, you really should. OTR 1, which is Quizzify Unlimited, $39. You get to basically create as many unlimited everything. The shackles are off, okay? Unlimited quizzes, polls, and surveys per month. Whereas obviously it's more limited on the front end. OTO2, which is Quizzify done for you. You get 100 done for you campaigns set up for you in 2 minutes, and the makers will set up your account, so it's guaranteed to get off to a flying start. Okay, so if you're lazy like me, this is a complete done for you solution. They will set up everything for you. OTO3, which is Quizzify Traffic Academy. You get access to Quizzify's Premium Traffic Academy, where they'll show you free traffic methods to get 10x sales for your Quizzify campaigns. So some really nice traffic training there. OTO4, which is Quizzify Agency. Create and sell Quizzify accounts for your clients. 100 licenses, $47, up to 500 licenses for $97, and then unlimited. So that's really cool. So you can actually sell Quizzify accounts for your clients. That's really awesome. OTO5 Quizzify reseller. If you fancy reselling this and you go on audience for it, it's 100% of the profits. And OTO6 Quizzify white label, absolutely everything, and you can remove the Quizzify branding and basically sell it as if it was your own, or act as if it was your own. That's really cool, actually. I like this app a lot. So yeah, so hopefully that's funnel, but the front end price $17, guys. That's awesome, right? They should definitely raise that. Okay, so this is really, really awesome. So this is probably the biggest bonus package I've ever given away. Okay, so this might take some time. It is worth a lot. Okay, and it comes with not only lifetime access to some apps, but also reseller rights and some white label rights too. So take a look at this. You're going to get lifetime access to Funnels Pro, which is a great app in its own right. It's a cloud-based app, allows you to create funnels, websites, landing pages, etc. You can kiss goodbye to your $300 a month ClickFunnels account, okay, because you're going to have Funnels Pro. You're also going to get lifetime access. Oh, by the way, you get reseller with that too. You're also going to have lifetime access to Contentify plus reseller for it, and it basically takes any YouTube video and turns it into blog posts. That's really awesome if you need content. That's a great app in its own right, and it's sold by the truckload earlier this year. Okay, you're also going to get lifetime access to Borrowify, which hijacks any website or landing page you see and allows you to edit it and create it and use it as your own. Basically a cloning app, really awesome, and reseller. You're going to get lifetime access to Engage Boost. So it's the world's first and only tool to solve autoplay issues on videos with websites. It allows you to be able to overcome that. It's also got smart auto placement technology, which means no fiddling over the scripts or anything like that. That's a really good app. And you're also going to get lifetime access to Syn Social plus white labels. So that's extremely valuable because basically you own it. And it's a cloud-based technology that allows you to syndicate everything to multiple different accounts. That's really cool. You're also going to get lifetime access to Pinbook. I'm running out of breath here. There's so many bonuses I'm giving away. Pinbooks, basically, if you're into Pinterest at all, Pinbook is for you. It's designed to basically explode your your Pinterest accounts. All right. You're also going to get, and this is extremely limited, this package. Okay. I don't know how long this is going to be around for. So if you still see it on this page, you're in luck, so get it quickly. You're also going to get the Quizzify mailer, which is a free email autoresponder that will allow you to build an email list through your quizzes without the need for GetResponse or Aweber or anything like that. Okay, that sells for $397 on its own. You can get it for free from this page. You're going to get lifetime Quizzify hosting, so you basically have lifetime hosting for your business. So if you're paying for things like Dropbox and stuff, you don't need to anymore because you can put all your files, your images and videos onto this. Your Quizzify Drive, more of the same. You're also going to get Quizzify Website Builder, which, I mean, I guess is great, but you're going to have Funnels Pro, right? So two is better than one. And you're going to get Quizzify Social Campaign Booster. So this gives you instant access to over 2 billion social media users and allow them to share your Quizzify campaigns to unlock them. That's really cool. All right, so you've got really 5 very limited bonuses here, plus my package of reseller and white label apps, including Funnels Pro and Contentify. Contentify is wicked, by the way. All right, so you'll only get these from this page, guys. So if you're thinking about getting Quizzify for $17, which is a complete no-brainer, then you should click on the link below and go to this bonus page and buy it today so you can get all these awesome bonuses. All right, cool. So yeah, really fun app. And if you're on the fence, drop a comment below, give me an email, and we'll have a chat about it, and I'll tell you why you should get it. Okay, right. As always, my name is Steve, and this has been my Quizzify review, and I'll see you on the next review. Thank you.